Well, Mark Smich and Dellen Millard are now appealing their murder convictions while also being eligible for reduced sentences.
With the details on this story, let's go live now to CP24's crime analyst Steve Ryan. Steve.
Yeah, Jen, good morning. So Smich and Millard were both convicted in 2016. Millard was convicted of 3 murders. His co-accused was convicted of 2 murders. And the judge at the time, Her Honor, sentenced Millard to 75 years consecutively, and Smich was sentenced to 50 years consecutively, meaning that they had to serve those 75 years before Millard was eligible for parole. Smich had to serve 50 years consecutively before he was eligible for parole. Concurred sentences means that 75-year sentence that Millard was given would be crunched into 25 years, and then he could be eligible for parole. So as a result of a Supreme Court decision that was recently made saying that consecutive sentences, stacked sentences, are cruel and unusual punishment, that means that both of these accused are now eligible to have their sentences reduced. Now, if their sentences are reduced to 25 years concurrently as opposed to the consecutive sentences, does not necessarily mean that they will get parole after those 25 years. But when it comes to the perception of the administration of justice being done, and when it comes to those families having to sit through parole hearings, it's a very difficult time. But this is what's going on today at Osgoode Hall, that is the Ontario Court of Appeal behind us. They're asking that their sentences be reduced. They are also asking that they both have new trials. I'll send it back to you.
All right, that's our crime analyst, Steve Ryan, live this morning. Steve, thanks for that.